Go.
Hello, Dad. Pastor David and Pastor Akati at this new church. We would like to say thank you. Thank you so much for the pleasure that we have. We enjoy it and we know that this is very helpful in our ministry. Thank you.
Third.
So, pila na ika pila.
Kaupat, meron na. Laro ka ninyo.
Laro na to, be. Ako na to.
Kaupat ni Tek. Children's lesson. Children's Adult Bible Studies. Boxers, collectors, titles, books.
Children's lesson.
Children's book, maybe
Adult
for
Bible
quiz.
Studies, box of wires and connectors, tools, books. Oh, mga sanina. Ato sa ikuan.
Sarap, sarap.
Itong bibi, oh. Pang newborn.
Ay, salamat. Tools, oh. Diliwan talag kating, oh. Oh. Nahilula, di ba? Dito kayo. Wow! Wow!
Ikaw na rin. Bag. Sa kinagbag.
Bag. Nice!
Bag.
More shoes. Oh.
Be, basi ka.
Bible school. Short Japon.
Shirt to.
T-shirt, no?
May sapatos, kay kagili.
Masayal, oh. Blouse.
Oh, mga shorts.
Short. Nice. See you.
We just want to say thank you for the tablet we received. This is very useful for my solemnize for marriage. So this tablet is very useful, you know, and everything that we receive, the tools and the wire. So we are so happy and thank you so much, Pastor David and also the Destiny Church sending this box here in the Philippines. So we are so happy. So you know, just look at that. We're so happy. So the tools and the wires, everything that we received, the clothes. Guys, God bless, God bless. We are so happy. We are so enjoying unboxes the box here. Everything. Thank you so much. Your kindness, the Philippines pastors.
So happy.
The pastors here. We are so happy.
Thank you so much for everything that we have. This afternoon, you know, there are a lot of things to receive from you. And thank you so much because this is useful for the ministry. And you know, deep inside my heart, I enjoy. So thank you so much for everything.
Thank you for the learning materials.
Thank you, Pastor David. The blessing that I have.
Good afternoon, Disney Church, Pastor David. Thank you for the package that you have given to us. Thank you that we received this. All these things, we receive it. So thank you. The tools also, the dress, the books, the
Learning materials.
Thank you for the clothing and everything. Thank you, Pastor David and Disney Church. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the pleasure that we have. We enjoy it and we know that this is very helpful in our ministry. Thank you. Bye.